We're back with tonight's Outer Circle, where we reach out to our sources around the world. And tonight we begin in Egypt, where growing defiance against President Mohamed Morsi has the country's defense minister warning of a possible government collapse. Reza Sai is in Port Said, Egypt, and I asked him how crucial the situation is.
Erin, for the second night in a row, people in Port Said essentially told President Morsi, we know there's a curfew in place, but we're going to come out and protest anyway. Thousands of people here poured out in the streets after the 9 p.m. curfew, chanting anti-government, sometimes expletive-laden slogans against President Morsi. Port Said is a city in one of 3 provinces where the president has declared emergency rule and curfews. We should point out that most people in these 3 provinces seem to be abiding by the curfews. Obviously, other people are not. But late Tuesday night, a sign that perhaps the president is backing down from his strategy. On his Twitter page, he made an announcement that he's now leaving it up to the governors of these provinces to decide whether to keep these curfews in place. We'll see what the reaction to that is going to be. Erin?
Thanks to Reza. And now we go to Australia, where after weeks of extreme weather, including a heat wave and flooding, Aussies now are grappling with an absolutely disgusting phenomenon. Sea foam, oodles of it. It looks brown and foul. Hugh Whitfield is on Australia's east coast, where the froth has washed ashore.
It looks like they're playing in a giant bubble bath, but this is sea foam, light, full of air and whipping its way onto Port Macquarie's Oxley Beach. For those who took the plunge, not necessarily pleasant.
Just absolute disgusting, putrid stuff.
The phenomenon is a repeat of the bizarre scenes on the Sunshine Coast yesterday, where a car emerged from nowhere. Here, the dirty water from the swollen Hastings River turned today's wild ocean a filthy shade of brown. It's churned up into foam and washed ashore. The churning ocean looks like a washing machine, and this the soap. But further out, the strong winds are causing rough seas, making for dangerous conditions.
Now